Welcome back to GOAT Stadiums. We're here with another update on Camp Nou's massive transformation. But here's the thing. Today's site visit reveals something unexpected. The construction areas are unusually quiet, with platforms sitting idle and minimal worker activity across the North Goal zone. So, what's really happening? In this video, we'll explore the current state of different construction zones. And stick around because despite the calm, there's some genuinely impressive progress on the facade that you need to see. Starting at the North Goal area, the contrast is striking. Around 10 elevated work platforms are positioned throughout the zone, but none are in operation. The metal brackets that will support the ceramic facade panels are mostly installed on the upper levels, though painting hasn't begun yet. Many bolts still lack their white anti-rust coating, especially on higher sections. Over at the corner area near Goal Norte, some support structures for the slats have been in place for weeks, but no new pieces have been added to the lower sections. The good news? The lateral zone is a completely different story. This is where the real action has been happening. Workers are actively cutting and installing steel rebar for the parking ramp walls. The ramp structure itself is almost entirely complete, with concrete slabs clearly visible and the incline taking shape beautifully. Now for the most exciting development this week, the ceramic slats are finally going up. After months of preparation, the lateral facade is starting to get covered with those distinctive ceramic panels that will define Camp Nou's new look. The transformation is remarkable. Where there was bare structure just days ago, you can now count multiple slats installed in sequence, creating that sleek, modern aesthetic we've been waiting for. The presenter on site expressed genuine excitement about this milestone, and honestly, it's easy to understand why. This is the moment when the stadium stops looking like a construction site and starts looking like the architectural masterpiece it's meant to be. There are small gaps between panels to allow for wind flow, which some viewers have debated, but the overall effect is stunning. The concrete work around this area is also progressing well, with blue waterproof mesh laid down in preparation for additional concrete layers. Moving to the stands area, progress on the diamond-shaped glass support structures continues steadily. 2 of the 3 diamonds now have approximately 10 support frames installed each, though 1 diamond remains without any glass supports at all. Workers have placed pink elements between the glass supports. Their exact purpose wasn't specified, but they appear to be part of the mounting system. Rock wool insulation material is being installed in interior sections, particularly around the tribuna zones, which indicates work is shifting toward thermal and acoustic finishing. The future shop areas along Travesera show installed glass panels, though they're quite dirty from construction activity. There hasn't been visible progress inside these retail spaces yet. At the corner areas, formwork panels are still in place, suggesting recent concrete work that hasn't been uncovered yet. Today, Barcelona play their match against Alaves. This is the second official game at the partially renovated stadium, and construction activity always slows dramatically before match days. TV broadcast trucks from Media Pro are already positioned at the bottom right corner, and vinyl banners that were previously damaged have been replaced and properly installed. The logistics are clearly shifting from construction mode to event mode. This pattern is normal and expected. Fridays before home games consistently show reduced activity compared to other weekdays. The site clears out, equipment gets secured, and the focus shifts entirely to preparing the playable sections for game day. Despite the pre-match slowdown, this week brought significant visual progress. The ceramic slat installation on the lateral facade marks a major milestone. Camp Nou is finally starting to look like its finished self. The parking ramp structure is essentially complete, with concrete work done, and steel reinforcement continues around the perimeter walls. Metal brackets throughout the stadium are installed and awaiting paint, while interior insulation work quietly advances in the stands. The diamond glass support structures are filling out gradually. Next week, we'll see if the pace picks up after the weekend match, and whether more facade sections get their ceramic covering. The transformation from raw structure to finished stadium is accelerating. If you enjoyed this update, hit like and subscribe to GOAT Stadiums for next week's construction progress. Thanks for watching.